Jennifer Lopez turned heads in a sleek mini dress and fur coat while attending the Unstoppable screening in London, where she opened up about her challenging year amid her divorce from Ben Affleck. As the acclaimed actress gears up for her film's release, she's looking forward to a peaceful holiday season with family and friends. Jennifer Lopez, 55, stunned in London on Wednesday night, stepping out in a chic ensemble as she promoted her latest film, Unstoppable. In a form-fitting mini dress paired with a luxurious fur coat and strappy black heels, the singer and actress radiated confidence and elegance. Her hair was styled back to highlight her glowing makeup look, a signature of her timeless beauty. Lopez's arrival at the Soho Hotel for a special Q&A followed a screening of the film at Cineworld Leicester Square. This latest project, which explores themes of resilience and tenacity, feels especially poignant for Lopez as she navigates a tumultuous personal year. During a candid interview with People magazine, Lopez shared that 2024 has been an intense year. Following her divorce filing from Ben Affleck, her husband of 2 years, she expressed a desire to slow down and reconnect with loved ones. The holiday season, Lopez shared, is especially precious to her, a time to reunite with her 16-year-old twins, Max and Emmy, and her family from the East Coast. Reflecting on holiday traditions from her childhood, she emphasized her love for these gatherings, where laughter, memories, and quality time take center stage. "We don't get to see each other all year," she shared, "so we catch up on everything. It's such a beautiful time." In Unstoppable, directed by William Goldenberg, Lopez takes on the powerful role of Judy Robles, a single mother fighting for her son, who was born with one leg, to follow his dreams of wrestling. With lines like "I am not letting him quit," her character embodies strength and determination that resonate deeply with audiences, already sparking early Oscar buzz. The film, produced by Lopez's ex, Ben Affleck, and his longtime friend Matt Damon, also stars Gerald Jerome, Bobby Cannavale, Michael Pena, and Don Cheadle. Affleck himself praised Lopez's performance, calling her spectacular and celebrating the film as a testament to the power of passion in storytelling. The movie, which premiered at the Toronto International Film Festival, is set for a limited theatrical release on December 6th, with a Prime Video streaming release on January 16th. Lopez's journey with Affleck has been nothing short of a Hollywood tale, from rekindling a romance nearly 2 decades after calling off their first engagement to finally tying the knot in 2022. However, after 2 years of marriage, Lopez filed for divorce, marking an emotional milestone. While her relationship with Affleck unfolded in the public eye, Lopez's focus now seems firmly on her own well-being and her family's future. As Jennifer Lopez embraces the next chapter, she's ready to take a break from the limelight to reconnect with family during the holidays. With Unstoppable set to hit theaters and the film world buzzing about her powerful performance, this season promises new achievements and cherished time for Lopez. Fans can catch Unstoppable on December 6th in theaters and stream it on Prime Video starting January 16, 2025, as Lopez's journey continues to inspire on and off the screen.